Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. I love MIUI, where you can find beautiful custom themes for MIUI devices.
Turn your MIUI into Legion phone. With Legion Live Wallpaper. Clock widget home screen. UI dialer. Legion icon style. Control center support MIUI 14. Legion always on display. Let custom your device into this style. Prepare to set up theme on your device. MIUI 14 default theme classic. First open theme store and find theme on video, HTC dark red. Apply full theme on your device. Now, your device look like this. Control center not applied. Next, open theme store and find theme on video, Legion. Custom and only apply icons. Now, home screen should look like this. Next, open theme store and find theme on video, NVXui. Not apply here. Go back and choose Customize theme. Choose status bar. NVXui theme. Now, control center, like this. Next, custom Legion Live wallpaper and lock screen wallpaper. Download file in video description. Install all file. Open Play Store and install Google Wallpaper. Scroll down to Live Wallpaper. Find Legion Live Wallpaper in list. Choose one to set wallpaper. Set home screen and lock screen. Now, home screen have Legion Live Wallpaper, but lock screen back to default wallpaper. Now, fix this. Open Gallery and choose any wallpaper. Set both home screen and lock screen. Now return to Google Wallpaper. Scroll down to Live Wallpaper. Find Legion Live Wallpaper again. Set wallpaper, but only home screen. Now lock screen, change. Next, custom Legion, always on display. File in video description. Open Settings and Setup. Custom color you want. Subscriber to support channel. Enable notification. Thanks you to watching video.